Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee. I'm going to show you how to fix when your desktop icons are not showing on Windows 11. So I do have desktop icons, but they're not showing. What we need to do when we're on the home screen here is right click, then come down to view, and you want to make sure this show desktop icons is ticked. There you go, they've come back. So if we go into view now and we look, it has a tick on it. Now if you want the recycle bin and this PC on your desktop, come up to the start menu, then go to settings. Now we're in settings, go to personalization, then themes, and at the bottom here you'll see desktop icon settings. Press this and now we'll be able to choose recycle bin. Let's just add the control panel. Press apply and the control panel will be added to your desktop. You can always come back here, untick it, press apply, and it'll be removed. So that's how to fix the desktop icons not showing in Windows 11. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.